In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shortcut tiles on the new tab page and a shortcut to the sidebar in the Brave browser. This can make accessing your favorite websites even faster and more efficient. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open up your Brave browser and open a new tab. Now, on this new tab page, if you don't immediately see a section labeled Top Sites, don't worry. That's something we can quickly fix. Head over to the bottom right corner of the new tab page. There, you'll notice the word Customize. Give that a click. A menu will appear and you'll want to choose Top Sites from this menu. By doing this, you're presented with an option to switch the setting to Favorites. Selecting Favorites allows you to manually add specific sites you want quick access to with just a click. Once you've set up your Top Sites area, look for the Plus Add Site option. This is located within the widget and may also appear as a three-dot menu next to an empty tile. Clicking on it will bring up fields to enter the name and URL of your chosen website. Simply input the details, click Save, and just like that, you have a new shortcut tile ready for your convenience on the new tab page. Now, if you ever wish to tweak these tiles, maybe editing, removing, or simply rearranging them, hover over your tiles. When you do so, a pencil icon appears, which signifies Edit Options. This lets you effortlessly drag them around or modify them as needed to suit your preferences. Moving on to the sidebar shortcut, let's ensure the sidebar is active first. To do this, go to Brave's menu, which is an icon typically featuring 3 horizontal lines, or by heading into Settings, then selecting Appearance, and finally, Sidebar. If you see an option labeled Show Sidebar, make sure it's switched on. Once the sidebar is enabled, navigate to the website you want as a shortcut. Look towards the sidebar panel for a little plus icon, inviting you to add an item. Clicking on this will open Add to Sidebar, prompting a confirmation to add the site. Confirm, and you'll soon have an icon representing the site right in your sidebar, providing quick access to your online favorites. If you'd like to tidy things up or make changes, right-clicking the icon grants options like removing the site, or you can simply drag the icons around to reorder them to match your preferred arrangement. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to customize shortcuts in your Brave browser, making your browsing experience more personalized and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.